With a decades-long history of support, Forvis Mazars has made a lasting impact on the lives of Missouri State students, faculty, and the campus community. In Glass Hall, home of the College of Business, the firm's generosity is everywhere. From an endowed fund that supports the School of Accountancy to scholarships that open doors to rewarding careers, Forvis Mazars is deeply invested in the success of Bears. Students gain hands-on experience in the Forvis Mazars Financial Trading Lab. The lab is a vital resource for teams like the CFA Research Challenge and the BearsWIN Student-Managed Investment Fund held by the Missouri State University Foundation. But their support goes beyond funding. Forvis Mazars is represented on the Executive Advisory Committee and the BearsWIN Advisory Committee, as well as advisory boards across the College of Business. The firm's professionals are frequent guests on campus, serving as speakers, mentors, and coaches. They participate in career fairs, provide internships, and offer guidance through programs like pro bono financial planning. They even extend their expertise to the local business community, offering free mentorship sessions at the university's E-Factory to support entrepreneurs and small businesses. Today, more than 40 Missouri State students are gaining real-world experience through internships and part-time roles at Forvis Mazars. Many of these students are also benefiting from the firm's Educational Assistance Program, receiving tuition reimbursement. Among Forvis Mazars' 6,000 employees, over 250 are proud Missouri State alumni, proof of the firm's ongoing connection to the university. As a Sterling Medallion-level member of the Founders Club, Forvis Mazars continues to support university initiatives and events that shape the future of business leadership. We're proud to congratulate Forvis Mazars, recipient of the 2025 Missouri State University Alumni Association's Volunteer Group of the Year Award.